Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Temie. Please give my video a thumbs up by liking because it helps my channel, as well as if you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe because it also helps my channel. I really appreciate it. So thank you for doing that. Let's get into today's video. I'm going to be talking about Glamnetic brand. I was sent a couple of products to try and I love them. I have used it at least a couple of times and I love them. Honestly, for me to give a good review, I have to try it and then I talk about it on my channel. And if I don't talk about it on my channel, if you guys never see it, that means, you know, it was not worth it. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because it's worth it. I love it. Now, Glamnetic is a magnetic lash brand. It's a female founded brand based in LA. It's cruelty free. It has vegan option. It's really easy to use and the quality is A+. Why? Because I've used other magnetic lashes before and this one is top tier. I gotta give it their 5-star. They're really, really good. So I was sent a couple of lashes as well as press-on nails. You guys know that I use press-on nails. I have some brand that I've used before. I believe the quality of the product is what makes it last longer. The process on how to put it on is usually, it's all pretty much the same, but the quality is what makes the brand and the product stand out. So for the magnetic lashes, it makes it easy to apply false lashes and it also lasts longer. There's no mess, no damages to your lashes. It's also great for beginners. I'm a beginner. Take me a while to get used to applying the regular lashes, you know, strip lashes. It did. I had to practice a lot. I'm able to do it now, but it still takes me time, like a long time. And I'm gonna say that when I applied the Glamnetic lashes, I have my little baby running around. I still was able to do it in no time, really. It was easy to do because all I had to do was concentrate really on the lining part and then just take the lashes and boom, and I was done. This is the real deal, mainly because it's quality. The quality is top tier and I've used other brands before, like I said, but this one, you gotta get it. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it. So I'm going to leave a bunch of information in the description box below. So if you want to like try this out, at least buy 1 or 2 of this, get 15% off using Simply Temie. I'm gonna put it on the screen as well as in the description box. So make sure to check out the description box. So let me show you some of the products that I was sent. So this is the bag and this is what it looks like. So I have the press-on nails on already. This is it right here. So I purposely left the original length on here, as you can see. This is the original length and then this is the length that I prefer, which is what I cut it into. I have a video on how to apply press-on nails. It's the exact same step. I'll tell you briefly how you do that, but then also show you how to apply the lashes. So the nails that I received is this one called Sugar and Spice. That's what I have on right now, as you can see on my nails here. It fits my nails very well. This is called Sugar and Spice. I was trying to say that earlier. And the other nail that I was sent that I'm excited to give a try later on, because my press-on nails last for at least 2 weeks. The same as when I used to get gel nails, they would last 2 weeks because my natural nail starts growing. So these last 2 weeks, sometimes longer, depending on how often I dip my hands in hot water. But I dip my hand in regular water, it doesn't come off. But hot water would break it down a little bit faster. So I try not to do that often. But this is the second nail that I was sent and it's called Gold Truffle by Glamnetic. It's beautiful. The lashes that I received, I've already opened them to make it easy for me to record this. So this is called After Party right there. And then I received, this is Hottie by Glamnetic right here. This one also has anchors. Okay, so if you guys see right here where it says anchor, so this has like another tiny lash underneath it on this side as well. So you would put it underneath your lash to kind of keep it secured on your lashes. So for me, I don't really use anchors because they actually stay on without anchors. I've used this on Mother's Day, the day before Mother's Day. I've worn it a few times. This is Banger. So this is Banger. This one is more dramatic. I also received the liner. In order to apply the Glamnetic lashes, you need the liner. You need a steady hand, draw your line, and apply the lashes. It's really that easy, to me anyway. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to apply the lash. I'm going to put Hottie on first. Alright, so I'm a little closer so I can show you how I'm going to apply this. So I'm just going to use a couple of tools, which are the tweezers here. These are mine. I didn't get this from Glamnetic, but you probably can get this off of Amazon. Or what I'm going to do is brush my lashes downward because I do not want to get the glue on my lashes, okay? You could also also use a eyelash curler to hold your hair eyelash down. I don't have an eyelash curler, so this is my other alternative. First, I'm gonna glab the liner, take it out, make sure I get enough on there, take it out, put this part down. Then I take my spoolie. I have a mirror down here, so I'm looking down in order to be able to see what I'm doing, and then I just hold my hair down with the brush and draw the line. I dip it again, just want a little more on the end here. And that's it. A few seconds really is all you need, and it'll dry. So I'm now going to grab the Glamnetic eyelash in Hottie, and I'm going to grab it with my finger here. This has the anchor on, so I'm going to take the anchor off. Make sure you take the anchor off. This is what the anchor looks like. And there's this extra anchor right at the edge. I'm gonna take it out. This little lash here, that's what an anchor is. It's what you will put underneath if you wanted to like have a more secured lash. But I'm taking those two anchors off. So I'm gonna take it, and then I'm gonna put the lash like so, okay? And then I'll just go look down again as usual, and then just sort of place it on my lid like so. And then I take my tweezer and take these, the edges, each edge, and then just put it where it needs to stay, which is on the liner that I drew. And that's pretty much how I apply my lashes. And then I can push it down a bit more so that the middle and all the other areas would stay on. And that's my lash, it's on. You guys, I could also use my finger to just push it down more. And then if I tug on it, you guys see me pulling my skin, right? It's not coming off unless I pull really hard. I'm pulling. That's my lid pulling that. And the thing is not coming off. So this is no lash. This is lash. I'm gonna try banger on this lid here so you guys can see the difference. Okay, banger. You see those magnets? That's banger. So I know I got some glue on this hair here. I'm just gonna use my finger to scrape it off the hair on my lash right there. Use my finger and wipe it off. Yeah, it's dried enough now. So I'm gonna apply banger. For this eye, which is my left eye, I look this way and then I look down and then I just apply it like so. Then I use my tweezers, my other tweezer, to place where I want it to stay on. That's it. And that's it. And this is banger. This is hottie. So that's really how long it took me. Less than how many minutes to apply my lashes. The only part that needed a little bit of patience and steady hands is lining. And once you can get the lining done, you could also use a felt pen. I think they have a felt pen type of liner. I prefer liquid liner like this. I don't know, just works for me. So yes, let me try to put the anchor on the bottom. I'm just trying it on for the sake of this video, but this is the anchor. It has a magnet on the top, and I'll simply just apply it on this side and then also on this side, but I'm just doing one end. What I'll do is look in the mirror here. That's what I'll do, and I'll just sort of apply it until it snaps with the other magnet, which it did. My lashes literally stayed on all day on Mother's Day, when I went to church, when we went out to dinner, all that. So I just wanted to show you guys like the two types of how you can apply it, as well as if you wanted to do like a more dramatic look, which is this is banger, and then a little bit subtle but still dramatic, this is hottie. Alright, so for the nails, they can last up to 2 weeks. Like I said, you can shape it however you want, like I've done here. It looks like gel nails, but easier and faster to apply. What you do is, it comes with a cuticle stick alcohol wipes the nails and then the file. So what you do is you would take this cuticle stick and press down, and then you file down your natural nails, and then you clean your natural nail off with the alcohol wipe. Make sure your nail beds are dry, and then you take your glue, and then I'll put it on my natural nail bed and then also on the back of the press on nails, and I just put it on my nail and hold it down for 10 seconds or 15 or whatever, and it stays on. That's it. The point is keep your nails beds dry. Make sure there's lint free, put anything on it so that it can last long. And then after you're done applying all the nails, don't wash your hands immediately. Don't do anything. Just let it be for like an hour, and the longer you keep it dry, the longer it will stay on. So that is really it for the nails. I would recommend the nails. They're very awesome and I love them, and they're pretty as well. So I would definitely recommend this Glamnetic Try-on nails as well as the lashes. As you can see, it elevates your look and it enhances your eyes. So remember, you can use Simply Temie to get 15% off whatever it is you purchase from glamnetic.com, and also check in my description box below for links to get any of these products that I mentioned in this video. Comment down below if you've heard of Glamnetic, if you'll be trying this Glamnetic brand, because like I said, I've tried other brands and this is the best. No cap. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to give this video a like as well as subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.